better understanding. If you have any doubts, so you can just go through the videos, so you can just understand how we can do this, right? So initial level, is my voice is audible?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. So first of all, first tool is name is ripple edit tool. I'm just using the ripple edit tool. What is the use of ripple edit tool? We just need to understand that. After that we can use the ripple edit tool. First thing, if I'm just editing, if I'm just edit, just a second. मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ 10 बजे फ्री होऊंगा काम ना करो क्लास ले रहा हूँ फिर बात करता हूँ रुको थोड़ी देर Yeah, so I'm explaining the repel edit tool. How we can use the repel edit tool, right? So first of all, we just need to understand what is the uses of the repel edit. If you want to just remove this clip, like I'm just working on another style, another way to just remove this clip. I'm just removing this clip like this. I'm just removing this clip. I just select all this next, all this rest of the clip. Just shift it over there, right? This is the process to this is the process to just cut the clip and just shift it over there. But now I am using the ripple edit tool. So ripple edit tool, it will help to just remove it. Just need to just cut it over there, automatically will just shift it all the clips over there, right? So this is the main uses for the ripple edit and ripple editing. Hmm. Hmm. Right, is this clear? Hello.
तरुण सर एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे प्लीज
Yeah, definitely I'll repeat it. First of all, I'll just why should we go for the using the ripple edit tool? First of all, what the scenario? What is the scenario why we are just using the ripple edit tool? So first of all, I'm using this clip to just crop it over there, and after that, I'll just hold the sequence. I'll just shift it over there, right? So this is the very long process. You can just see that. You can see and understand that it is very long process. We just need to shift it over there. We just need to crop over there. After that we can shift it. So it is a very I'm just using 2-3 tools. I'm using 2-3 process. After that we can shift it the footage over there, right? But now we have a one tool over there. Its name is a ripple edit tool. So we can just use this tool and directly I'm just using and the click and just use it, and automatically all the whole footage will be shifted over there, all the sequence will be shifted over there, and also the trim that footage also. So footage also is trimmed, and the footage and the whole the sequence also shifted over there. So it is very important to like shifted the footage, the 2-3 things automatically in the single tool, like shift footage, also the shifted the footage, also trim the footage, also shift, also everything like do in the single tool. The both of the things we do in the single tool, right?
ओके
It is understood.
yes so in very basic answer is ke for shifting trimming and creating the adjusting the videos and scenes
Right, we can trim this footage, we can shift it this way, we can just, we don't want to select the footage also, rest of the footage I don't want to select this, we can just directly shift it the footage also.
right
Also we can just ripple edit, we cannot use the ripple edit. If like I'm just shifting the footage, so there is a two option, you can just ripple edit tool you can use, otherwise you can just hold the footage, we can just use, right? So there is a multiple options are there, you can just use it. Initially I'm just using only the ripple edit tool, just select it and trim the footage, also ripple edit the footage, right?
Okay.
Is it understood?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
good. Now I am moving the another tool is there. His name is uh, rolling edit tool. His name is rolling edit tool.
Ro-
It is work only on the cut area. It is work only on the cut area. Once we I just want to just shift it. I just want to shift the cut. First of all, we just need to understand what is the cut. Cut is basically we just need to just uh split, or also we can just divide the video in a two layer, in a two part, right? Once I just click over there in the center one, we just cut it over there, so it will, the footage will divide in a two layer, right? So the thing is, I just want to shift the cut. I just want to shift the cut, because the thing is this layer, this is a cut, this is a, this footage is a out point cut, and this footage is a in point cut. I just want to shift the cut over area. This is the cutting over the area. I just want to shift it over there. So just go over there and click
Mhm.
and shift it over this. You can just easily, you can shift it. The cutting area is just shifted over there. Anything, anywhere, you can just shift it. Once I just shifted in right hand side, so this footage output is shifting and this footage is in point is shifting, right? Is it understood? I'm audible?
yes, you are audible. So in short, you're saying कि जो in video है, like in inner part है, वो आपने shift किया है, and the second outcome जो जा रहा है, तो वो आपका इस tool से
Right. So
shift हो
first
रहा
of all, we just need to understand properly. Once we
है.
just need to like click and drag it over the left hand side, that footage will be trimmed of the outer point, and the out point will be
Okay.
trimmed. And this footage in the right hand side footage will be like extended of the in point.
Okay.
राइट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का फुटेज का हमारा आखिरी पॉइंट ट्रिम हो जाता है, और लेफ्ट हैंड
Hmm.
साइड वाले का एक्सटेंड हो जाता है, राइट हैंड साइड वाले का एक्सटेंड हो जाता है. सो वी जस्ट नीड टू
Okay.
अंडरस्टैंड, वंस वी जस्ट शिफ्टेड द कट लेफ्ट और राइट, so automatically left or right affected with the left or right footage.
ठीक है सर.
Clear?
Clear.
Now I am just going to the next option is a rate stress tool. Is this tool name is a rate stress tool. First we just go any like this footage. You can just see that this footage, we just need to play it like just hand up and down, that's it, right? Again I'm just playing. See this, hand up and down over there. I just want to like speed, I want to decrease the speed of this footage. The thing is, I just increase the footage timeline and decrease the speed of footage, right? जब मेरी स्पीड बढ़ेगी, जब मेरी फुटेज की स्पीड हम स्लो करेंगे, यानी फुटेज में जो अंदर इनर पार्ट है उसको स्लो करेंगे, तो ड्यूरेशन बढ़ेगा, राइट? सी दिस, मैंने उसकी ड्यूरेशन बढ़ाई और हमारा इनर पार्ट स्लो हो गया. एंड इफ आई वांट टू जस्ट रिड्यूस दिस बटन, शिफ्ट दिस बटन, it will, speed is increasing, right? So speed is like 202. Once I just click and move it, then speed is by 45. You can see this, it will go slow, it will go slow.
Slow.
Is it understood?
okay. What's the tool name?
Is a rate stress tool, a rate stress tool.
Okay.
You can see this, the shortcut command is R. Every shortcut command is go, name is mentioned is over there, B and R. Every name is there, you can just use the shortcuts. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Just take 5 minutes, use all the tools, and just need to just go through it. How can we use these tools? I'm just over there only just for helping. If you have any doubts, if you have any query regarding these tools, so please let me know. I'll just provide the I'll just giving the another example for these tools. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Just take 5 minutes and use this tool. How can we use this? First of all, we just need to understand the tools. If you don't know about the tools, you just don't understand the understanding of the tools. So you don't have work. You don't able to work that. Cool. So just take 5 minutes and do practice and understand the tools. How can we use that? Okay.
Okay.
Just share your screen also so we can just go through it. Okay, I can just go through it. If there are like doubts, if there are like any uncomfortable with these shorts and tools, so I'll just giving some another examples. Okay. First, now I have to understand like next thing. Uh, we already cleared about the razor tool, right? Next is the slip and slide tool, we just covered in the next class. But now initially I've just covered the pen tool only. The first thing in a pen tool. Pen tool using two types, two kind of things over there, like a shape also. We can just also adjusting opacity. But initially I'm just using the only for using the opacity. How can we
So
just
your
control
screen
the
is not
opacity?
coming.
Sorry,
No screen is coming.
my screen is not visible.
No.
Just a second. Now is this visible?
Yes, yes, visible now.
Yeah, cool. So first thing, razor tool we already cleared. Slip and slide tool we just need to cover in next class because of the vast topic over there. So we just need to very deep topic. That's why I'm not able to just conduct these two topics in this session. We'll just provide the next session. We'll cover both of the sessions, both of the topics. Initially, I'm just going to cover the pen tools. So pen tool using two types, two kind of things over there for the like shape uses, for the like opacity uses. Initially, I'm just using for the opacity, and the next thing, next scenario for the shape working, shape part will be just covered in the next class. Initially, how can we just use the shape and what is the scenario? Why we are using these kind of things we are using for the opacity, and what is the uses, and how can we just use the opacity part? So first of all, we just go over there in opacity, show video show video keyframe. So first of all, you can not able to see the video keyframe. First of all, we just need to this kind of footage we just need to just show over there in your footage, in your timeline. I just extended and there is no timeline, no time over there. So first thing, how can we just visible? First you just need to go to the settings, show video keyframe, click to the show video keyframes and click this button. Automatically lines is visible over there. So this lines is for the opacity part, right? So you just need to control the opacity of the video. How we can just
Okay.
control the opacity? Just click it, automatically keys is automatically dropped. Now you just click again, just click it, automatically one more key is pressed. Now just click and drag it over there, so automatically you can see this, the opacity is dropped down, right? Now you can just apply the multiple times. You can just apply in a multiple times. There is no number of values. You can just n number of time you can just place it, you can just control it as per your requirement of the project. You can just use the blinking effect, you can use the different type of layer between down of the layer. You can just place any kind of layers between this, right? So choice is your, whatever you want, what kind of effect you can create from this slide. So it is depend on you. So you can see this. So there is a lot of thing we can create from the opacity panel. So this kind of opacity we can control. See this. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So it is like multiple options. We can just create multiple effects with the help of opacity tool, with the help of pen tool. So there is a, I already told you there is a two options. We can, there is a two creations with the help of pen tools. We can just create the shape also. We can just create the control the opacity also. Initially, I'm just giving the training only the opacity part. I'm not giving the control of the shape part. Initially, I'm just giving only the opacity parts. So you just need to control the opacity with the help of pen tool, right? Clear?
Okay.
So just take 5 minutes and control the opacity parts. How can we just control the opacity? How can we just open the show video keyframes? How we just control? How we just open the see the option menu? Everything. Just see and please let me know if there are any like issues with the help with the like go through this kind of panels. Okay.
हेलो,
अगर हम एड्रेस आ गए सारे कल के लिए
एक सेकंड सर, डीजे से दूर जा रहा हूँ.
क्या मैं बोल रहा हूँ कल के लिए एड्रेस आ गए
हेलो,
कल के लिए डिटेल्स आ गई आपके पास
क्या सर आवाज आ रही है आपको?
मैं कह रहा हूँ कल के लिए डिटेल्स आ गई आपके पास
हेलो,
कल के लिए डिटेल्स आ गई आपके पास
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो भेज दी मैंने.
ठीक है डन यही पूछ रहा था बस
नेट नेट की प्रॉब्लम है.
ठीक है यही पूछ
ठीक
रहा
है
था बस ठीक है थैंक यू
ओके ओके, ठीक.
यस अरुण
हाँ तरुण सर, एक बार देखिएगा. लाइक मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक कर दिया, देन सेटिंग्स में चला गया. यहाँ
यस
पे शो वीडियो फ्रेम्स पे मैंने कर दिया.
राइट राइट
ठीक है. एंड नाउ अब मैं मतलब इस पे पॉइंटर्स कहाँ कर सकता हूँ?
देखिए मैंने राइट हैंड साइड पे आपको बताया था उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए उसको जब तक उसको स्केल नहीं करोगे थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट नहीं करोगे वो विजिबल नहीं होगा थोड़ा बड़ा करो उसको ऊपर वाले को यस वीडियो वाले को थोड़ा बड़ा करो क्लिक एंड ड्रैग इट थोड़ा सा बड़ा करो
ये हो